Good morning, everyone. Hope you are safe and healthy in your homes. In science, our today's topic is structure and functions of a plant. In the previous clip, I taught you about living and non living things. Hope you enjoyed it. I know many of you love to play all the day, and your favorite place is park. As you have seen, there are so many types of plants. Some plants are big and some are small. Plants do not have definite shape or size. As plants are living things, they also need food, water, and air, like all other living beings. Let us know more about them. First, I am going to tell you basic about plants. Plants have 6 parts. As you have read in class 2, the first 3 parts help plants to get water, make food, and grow. They are root, stem, and leaves. And the second 3 parts help the plants in reproduction or growing new plants. They are flower, fruits, and seeds. These were basic about the plants. Now I will tell you structure of a plant. A plant has 2 major parts. First is shoot and the root. Root usually grows under the ground and shoot usually grows above the ground. The part that grows under the ground is called root. This is one of the main part of a plant. Without it, a plant cannot survive. Roots are of 2 types, taproot and fibrous root. Some roots like carrot, radish and beetroot have one main root with thinner roots growing from it. This is called taproot. These roots grows deep into the soil. Most trees have taproots. Some plants like grasses, wheat and coconut tree, they don't have main root. They have a bunch of small roots. These small roots are called fibrous root. Now I will tell you function of roots. Let's do one activity. Try to uproot a bunch of grass. Can you do it? No. You will find it difficult to do so. Do you know why? Because root fixes plant to the soil. The roots of the plant hold the soil firmly. They absorb water and nutrients from the soil for the leaves. And leaves use these things for preparing food for the plant. Roots like carrot, radish, turnip, and sweet potato are eaten as food. The second major part of a plant is shoot. This part grows above the soil. It consists of number 1 stem, number 2 leaves, number 3 flowers, number 4 fruits and number 5 seeds. Let's talk more about these parts. Number 1 stem. The part of a shoot. Stem is a part of a shoot that bears leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Small plants have soft and weak stem, while big plants have hard and woody stem. This hard and woody stem is called trunk. Function of stem. Stem hold the plant up above the ground. It means stem helps most plant to stand straight. Stems are the Delivery system of a plant. It means it carries water and nutrients from root to leaves, flowers and fruits. It also carries food made by the leaves to all parts of the plant. Most of us think the potato and ginger are roots. No, they are not roots. They are underground stems and we eat them as food. Number 2, leaves. Leaves are the green part of a plant that grows from the stem or branches of the stem. A plant has several leaves. Different plants have different kinds of leaves. As you can see, different types of leaves in this picture. Do you know why leaves are green? Leaves are green due to chlorophyll, which is a green pigment that gives green color to a leaf. Now, structure of a leaf. A leaf has 4 main parts. Number 1, leaf plate. Number 2, midrib. Number 3, veins. And number 4, stalk. Stalk is a part which attach a leaf with the stem or branch, and the flat broad part of leaf is called leaf blade or lamina. This leaf blade is covered with many thin and small tubes. These tubes are called veins. You can see a thick vein runs in the middle of the leaf blade. This main vein is called midrib. The main function of veins to distribute water and food in the leaf. Here you can see a leaf has many tiny pores on its lower surface. These pores are called stomata. They are very small in size. They cannot be seen with the naked eyes. These stomata helps the plant to breathe. You might have heard that leaves are called the kitchen of the plant. Let's see what's happened in this kitchen. Leaves make food for the plant in the presence of sunlight. You can see using carbon dioxide gas from air and water from soil. This process of making food is called photosynthesis. Leaf release oxygen as a result. This oxygen makes our environment clean and healthy. Leaves of plants like cabbage, spinach, mint, coriander and mustard are eaten as food. Many plant-eating animals depend on leaves for their food, like cow, sheep, buffalo, giraffe and koala. They totally depend on leaves for their food as they are herbivorous or plant-eater animal. Number 3 is flower. Plants are the precious gift of nature, and flowers are the gems of the nature. Do you ever feel when we gift flowers to someone, the person feels happier and a smile comes on his face? Why is it so? Because flowers are the most beautiful part of a plant. It gives pleasure to someone. Flowers are the reproductive part of a plant. Every plant have their special type of flowers, which has their special color, shape and size. they have special smell so that we can identify them from which plants they belong. After being mature, flowers turn into fruits. Its petals drop down and its lower part swell up for storing food. Most flowers change into fruits contain seeds inside them. So many of us think that tomato, brinjal, cucumber, they are vegetables. But in reality, they are fruits. Let's talk about fruits. Sometimes you might have heard an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Why so? Because fruits are very healthy diet. They give us nutrients. They are protective food which protect us from diseases. Fruits are the fleshy and tastier part of a plant which grows from flowers. Usually fruits hang on the branches of trees. I know most of us love to eat fruits because they are tasty and healthy. They contain seeds inside them. The fruits that we eat commonly are mango, apple, banana, jamun and papaya. Our last point is seeds. You may have eaten so many types of fruits. So you have seen seeds inside them. Most fruit contain seeds. Fruits like mango and peach have only one seed. Fruits like apple and orange have few seeds, while fruits like papaya and muskmelon have many seeds. Do you know how are seeds important for a plant? A seeds grow into a new plant after it gets enough water, air and warmth. You can see a small root and a shoot comes out from it. So it will grow into a new plant. Draw 2 fruits and 2 flowers of your own choice in your notebook. This video is related to worksheet number 2 and 3. I hope you enjoy the chapter. Meet you soon in the next video. Till then, stay at home, be safe and keep learning.